Hey guys, it's me. So we're gonna have two little bao buns and some sticky rice with two shrimpies and some cucumber and some chili sauce, sweet chili sauce. Hey everybody, don't mind my crazy hair. I don't know what I was doing today, probably eating, and now I'm eating again. I'm having like an obese day. Sometimes you just have obese days where you just eat like you're obese. That's today. So today I'm eating some seaweed, teriyaki seaweed. It's really good. So I went to the grocery store. I was gonna get Yamato, but I went to the grocery store instead. Now I kind of regret it because all I've been doing is eating. It's like maybe DoorDash is worth it even though I have to pay out the ass, because if I get groceries I end up eating it all. It's awful. So this is like the store-bought sticky rice, like that comes in a bowl, pre-packaged. The one that kind of smells like a pussy. That one. Like an Asian, sticky Asian pussy. Kind of like Nanaws. I'm sorry. Like if Nanaws was stinky and Asian, I feel like that's what it would smell like. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So one of these is a curry bao, and then the other one is a teriyaki bao. So I put a hole in them. This one's a curry, this one's a teriyaki. I decided to try them for whatever reason. Probably because I'm fat. I should have gotten only healthy food. What was I thinking? I don't know. I guess I was thinking I didn't care, but I actually really do. And this is why. Now when you get this rice, you'll never think of it the same. Especially if you smell it. I don't mind though. Nanaw, you stink. Seriously. You ever like smell someone after they go to the bathroom and you smell it? Like the residue, the stinky Nanaw residue. That's what it smells like. So we're gonna try the curry one and stop thinking about Nanaws. This one's pretty good. Need a vegetable with that. This one's pretty good. It's chicken teriyaki. It's kind of weird in there. I wonder if that's how guys think when they go in a vagina for the first time. It's kind of rigged, like rigid in there, like a spinal cord. Yeah. I don't know how anyone could enjoy that. Oh. I remember when I fingered a girl for the first time. It was the last time. I will never do that ever again. It was disgusting. Now, we can work on the outside, but not the inside. That shit's fucking disgusting. Now I see people that finger women in a whole new way, because that shit's disgusting. No. It's just such a weird texture. I guess if you're using your big sausage finger, you wouldn't even notice. But I noticed. It's pretty vile. And disgusting. Wow. I could eat a whole box of these. They're so easy to eat. Have you guys seen the SCP containment breach? Like the playthroughs? I want to do that. I'm so scared. Because I played that game. Swear to God. I was scared. I don't like things chasing me. I don't like it when I can't see what's going on. I don't like it when I have to, you know, stare at a little creature for him to not come and kill me. I don't like it when the Hat Man comes through the walls. No, I don't. What's the scariest thing you guys have ever experienced in your real life? Let me know down in the comments. I really want to know. If you want to know mine, look way back at the beginning of my YouTube channel. I had videos I made on them called My Scary Manifestations. It happened to me in real life. And they were awful. Yeah. Oh, and then also this one time, I was talking to this guy on Facebook dating. And this one's probably the one that gave me the creepiest feeling of dread. I was talking to this guy on Facebook dating, and then I would click off if you're scared or something, watching at night, or a little kid or some shit. But anyway, so this guy was talking to me, and he was telling me about how he knew all these weird, creepy people that was into like some cult shit. And he was telling me about this weird cult book. And it had this weird demonic name. I forgot. But it was down in my YouTube channel if you guys want to watch it. Like, the name of the book sounds like a demon. but it probably is. Like, I didn't know, I didn't want to read about it. But anyway. He was telling me about it. I was like, okay. And then he starts telling me about all this weird dreams that he has, and he gave me like these weird, like when he was talking about it, it was like really, like I really saw it, and it was creeping me the fuck out. Like I saw it in my mind, like as he was like explaining to me over text, and I was like, yeah, that's fucking creepy. I think your dreams are telling you that you need some mental help, and that you need to stop hanging out with those fucking people, because your dreams, like that's like what you're manifesting, like practically. I don't know, but after he started explaining his dreams to me, I started getting really like, should I talk to this guy? I don't think I should talk to this guy. This guy's kind of creepy. He's talking about weird cult books that sound like demonic names. I swear to God. And then, after that, I started getting a little scared. Like, I was getting scared. I was like, ah. And then someone told me I should probably stop talking to him. But I kept talking to him because I kind of wanted to hear more about it. About his weird dreams, because I think it's interesting. You know, how the brain can do that. But, I kept talking to him a little bit. And then I got this weird friend request. Bro, like this weird friend request. And, like, it was so creepy. Like, I just got this really creepy feeling that the guy was talking about me to one of his cult friends or something. And, like, one of them added me. Because the guy that added me, he had this really weird, creepy, demonic, like, creature, like blue creature, smiling creature. I don't know why, but it gave me the chills, and my brain started throbbing fear, like throbbing the feeling of dread, and I never felt like that before. I only felt like that like that time and then another time, but it was like I need to get the fuck away from this right now. Like, your brain's telling you need to fucking go. Like, but I was like, yeah. And then I asked him, I was like, did you talk to somebody about me? He's like, no, I didn't. But I was thinking in my head, like, what are the chances of, like, you talking about these weird demonic cult people and then some weird guy with a demon picture adds me out of nowhere? Because I don't usually get random friend requests, first of all, and then the fact that happened right after that's fucking creepy. And I don't know, but that was probably the scariest one that I could think of other than the other one. I had a few, don't get me wrong, but the feeling that I got was the creepiest. Like the feeling, like he was talking about me to the people in the cult. And they were like gonna come kidnap me or some shit. Swear to God. Which is why I was scared. I was like, and then I blocked him. Because I told my aunt about it and she's like, no, don't talk to him. And I was like, okay. No, because I swear to God that's what was going on. Just creepy. I don't think I like the curry one that much. But that was one of them. And the other one was, I was listening to Ghostman. And for whatever reason, while I was listening to it, I was walking around town. I was like, I just started thinking it was like the devil's music or whatever. Because I was like, well, he's talking about, like, all this shit, and, you know, I was just like, oh, it's like the devil's music or something. And then I kept thinking about it, and I was walking around town listening to it. Because I don't believe in the devil. But then, like, after a while, I started to believe in the devil. I was like, well, what if the devil was real? Like, what if this really was the devil's music? What if this was, like, a message from the devil or some shit? And then, like, I built that feeling up for me for about 10 minutes. And then, like, I started believing in it, you know, within that 10 minutes, I really believed it for whatever reason, even though I didn't believe in the devil part of that. But anyway, this is why I don't believe in the devil, is because this happened. Because I believed in it for 10 minutes. And I looked on the wall because I was walking around town. I was like downtown in Richmond, by like the old buildings downtown. And then there's like this moth on the wall. And I was like, what the fuck? Because the moth, while I was listening to music, while I was believing in the devil, this moth had a fucking upside down cross on its wings. I shit you not. In 10 minutes of me believing in the devil, it had a cross, upside down cross on its wings. This was, I think I was like 20, 21, maybe 20, I don't know. I don't remember, but it was years ago. But that's why I don't believe in the devil, is because when I did, shit started to happen. That's why I don't. So if you believe in the devil, you better quit. Like, you manifest in the devil when you believe in the devil. That's what I think. That's why I don't believe in it. How is it going to be real if you're not thinking about it? Because if you think about it, it's in your energy, right? Like, if you think about it, you're building up the energy. You're giving it energy. If you're scared of it, you're giving it energy. Now, I don't want to give it energy. You feel me? I want it to go away. So that's why I don't believe in it. That was pretty, surreal, I'd say. You know? I was like, what? Why is this happening? Because, like, I didn't believe in the devil prior to that. Which is probably even scarier. I guess it was telling me, hey, I'm here. Like, let me know in the comments if you guys have ever had anything weird like that happen. But I choose not to believe in that or ghosts. One thing I do choose to believe in, though, is aliens. Even though, you know, I feel like aliens could be really frightening. So, I don't know. Anything can be if you're scared of it. I feel like with the aliens, so it'd be different because they're not on Earth. But anyway. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I didn't scare you or make you uncomfortable. But anyway. You know what I kind of want to do on this channel one day? I kind of want to do, like, mind experiments. Like, I was looking up this thing where, like, people have the superstition not to put, like, a mirror next to your bed and not to look in the mirror at night. And I feel like that might have been kind of true for me when I was younger, because I was scared of, like, looking in the mirror for whatever reason. But, because, like, I guess if you look in it for too long, you start to hallucinate at night. I kind of want to test that out. But I'm also, like, that'll take a little bravery. Also, I need to gauge my state of mind and change my state of mind while I do it and see what happens. Kind of like the Bloody Mary thing. I don't know. That might be a little creepy. Not saying anything's gonna happen, but you know, sometimes it's just about the feeling more than anything. I don't know. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.